In this video, I'm going to answer a question that I've got from a lot of people. Can you use the Yoton projector with an Amazon Fire Stick or something like a Roku stick? The answer is in this video. Now, the first thing that you have to consider is most things that have a HDMI output would work with this. So whether it be Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, or what have you. But what mistake that a lot of people make is they forget that they need to provide a power source for their stick. So the Amazon Fire, as you can see, has a USB port there. So it needs something like a USB cable here to power that. So what you need to do is plug in your cable there. Now you have two options. You can either plug this into a USB power source like the wall or what have you, or you can actually power it from this device here, okay? That provides enough juice for the Fire Stick to fire up. Now, remember, once you fire it up and you pick HDMI, you now have to use the remote control for the Fire Stick. The remote control that comes with the projector won't control the Fire Stick. Now, on some systems like a Nebula, the remote control that controls the Nebula itself will control the Fire Stick as well because of the inbuilt software. But this remote control is only meant for this projector. Now I'm going to turn it all on and show you how it looks. Okay, it should have powered on now. So if I select HDMI, it might take a few seconds. And there it is. That's my Amazon Fire. Okay, you can see the software is loaded. And it works beautifully. And the thing is, obviously the interface that you're going to get with a Fire Stick is going to be better than anything that you're going to connect from your computer or phone, because this is custom made for this sort of stuff. So yeah, the answer is yes, it works. You can hear the audio is going through perfectly. Another thing that you can do, let me just click away from there. Another thing that you can do is you can connect the Fire Stick to a set of Bluetooth speakers or headphones if you want some privacy and better audio. You don't have to listen to the audio via the machine. But remember, if you've already synced the machine to a Bluetooth device, it won't work. The actual Amazon Fire itself has to be the one that is tethered to the Bluetooth device. If you've wired the box to a device via the auxiliary in, then that's fine. It would work as normal because that's a hardware wiring of the device. So I hope that answers the question. I'll see you in the next video.